Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So paying your BPI credit card bill through the BPI mobile app is a quick and convenient way to manage your finances. Here is a simple step-by-step guide on how to do this. Firstly, of course, open up the app and log in with your banking credentials. Once logged in, tap on the Pay Bills option on the main dashboard home menu. In the Pay Bills section, look for Credit Cards category. Select BPI credit card from the available options. After that, enter your payment details, which are going to be your BPI credit card number, which should automatically appear. Verify that the correct credit card is selected. After that, enter the amount you want to pay. You can choose to pay the minimum due, full amount, or a custom amount. Make sure you're paying enough to avoid late fees. After that, choose the account from which you want to pay. This could be your BPI checking account or BPI savings account. Double check all the details, and after that, confirm the payments. Press on Pay or Confirm to process your payments. You should receive a payment confirmation screen once the transaction is successful. Also, guys, you might want to save a receipt, save the screenshot of the payment for future reference. And guys, that's it. Using BPI mobile app for credit card payments is a straightforward process that helps you stay on top of your financial obligations. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped. Like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.